Fáilte Ó Bhacáide, my name is Mr. O'Sullivan. Béaltriail mo cheantar Gnáth. Ag deir an íseán seo beag mé ábalta, ceistena ábhartha a thuiscint, ceistena ábhartha a raigart. Déanchor síos ar do theach. Describe your house. Is teach scuite é. It is a detached house. Is teach lá scuite é. It is a semi-detached house. Is bungalow é. It is a bungalow. Is árasán é. It is an apartment. Is teach sreatha é. It is a terraced house. Tá blank I mo cheach. 5 seomra, 6 seomra, 7 seomra, 8 seomra, 9 seomra. Tá blank I mo cheach. Tá seomra site, cistinn, seomraí leapa agus seomra folca. Seomra site, a sitting room. Cistinn, a kitchen. Seomraí leapa, bedrooms. Seomra folca, a bathroom. Cén seomra is fearr leat? What is your favourite room? Is malam mi seomra mar. I like my room because tá leaba compórdacha agam. I have a comfy bed. Tá telefíse agam. I have a television. Tá mo spás féin agam. I have my own space. Déanchor síos ar do cheantar. Describe your area. Is áit hiúin é. It is a quiet place. Is áit gnóthach é. It is a busy place. Tá alán áisina I mo cheantar. There are a lot of facilities in my area. Park Pella, a football pitch. Onid Siopadóireachta, a shopping centre. Laurelin, a library. Teach Tábharna, a pub. Béalana, restaurants. Bunskull, a primary school. Manskull, a secondary school. An déan tú go dtí an Fictorlin. Do you go to the cinema? Téim go dtí an Fictorlin. I go to the cinema. Ní héim go dtí an Fictorlin. I do not go to the cinema. An bhfuil fadhbanna frithóisialta I do cheantar. Are there antisocial problems in your area? Tá fadhbanna le brúscar an seo. There are problems with rubbish here. Níl galore boscaí brúscar an seo. There are not enough rubbish bins here. Anis tá mé ábalta, ceistena ábhartha a uiscint, ceistena ábhartha a raigart. Slán